Hello everyone, my name is Ansari Ghulam Hussain. I am FY MBA student from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today my presentation topic is a cash flow. What is cash flow? What is the definition of cash flow? The terms cash flow refers to the net amount of cash and cash equipment being transferred in and out of a company. Cash received prepares follows, while money spent dispensed out follows. A company's abilities to create value for shareholders is fundamentally determined by its ability to generate positive cash flows, or more specifically, to maximize long-term free cash flow. Cash flow for operation, that short form is a CFO. Cash flow from operation, CFO, or operating cash flow, describe money flow involved directly with the production and sale of goods from ordinary operation. CFO indicates whether not a company has enough fund company in to pay its bill of operating expenses. In other words, there must be more operating cash flow than cash outflows for a company to be financially viable in the long term. Cash flow for financing, then short form is a CFF. Cash flow from financing or financing cash flow show the net flow for of cash that are used to fund the company, and it is capital. Financing activities include transactions involving issuing debt, equity, and paying dividends. Cash flow is profit. Contrary to what you may think, cash flow the same as profit. It is uncommon to have these two terms confused because they seem very simpler. Remember that cash flow, it is money that goes in and out of a business. Thank you.